Welcome to another episode of How To Thursdays. Today we're going to learn how to do mountain climbers. Let's begin in a traditional plank position. Wrists are directly below our shoulders. Core is engaged, back is flat, and butt is down. We begin by bringing our right knee towards our right elbow. It's okay if your knee can't make it to your right elbow. Then, simultaneously as you return your right leg to a starting position, bring your left knee to your left elbow. Don't forget, keep your butt down and your back flat and keep that core engaged. And repeat. Find your rhythm. Find balance. And then, maybe you can speed it up. That is how to do mountain climbers. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.